It was really great to be here again at the Circular Republic Festival. We've been here at the first event like 1.5 years ago, and it was great to meet the people that we met before and also see some new faces. We got into interaction with other startups, with corporates, so it's a great place to meet a lot of people around the circular economy. I think the circular economy plays a really important role to transform our society, to reduce the dependency of Europe from other regions of the world. And this is exactly what we do at our company, at Solar Materials. We recover the raw materials from solar panels and sell them back to the industry so that new products can be made out of them. For us, the automated disassembly is really important so that we can reduce the manual labor. This comes into play when we look at the labor shortage that we're facing in Germany but all over Europe, but that we can minimize our personal costs. So the return on investment for these robots that we have is below 2 years, so it's also a huge business opportunity to reach an economical recycling process in the end. Yeah, for us as a recycling company, it's always super important to get the input. So in our case, old solar panels. So we work closely together with large solar park operators, solar park owners, and also collecting schemes that collect the solar panels from private households and then bring them to the recycling companies like ours. What plays an important role to automate a disassembly is to understand what kind of product you have. So when we're talking about recycling, we have several different products. It's not like a production line, so it needs to be highly flexible. And there it's really important to adapt new technologies like AI to old PLC systems. And there the connector between these two things is not there yet or still under development. So this will improve the recyclability a lot in the future.